Lahore ka Patisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Superintendent of Police Jong East Khasi Hazard Strike about Vivek's aim IPS. Ulayat ho bikidan Palat san Pongun. Kibadan haga Kynhun kabalet wa de ka Sonam Raghuvanshi. Haga de ka Kynhun kidan ki pulit ki Special Operation Team ka State Disaster Response Force ka West Giant Hills Adventure Sports and Mountaineering Club but ka National Disaster Response Force. About Vivek ula pentip ru baladap thawi ka Special Investigation Team bakan Sdang gajing Tohkit benya halo gajing sya penyap Uraja Raghuvanshi but halor gajing ja jangka Sonam Raghuvanshi.
At about 11:15 we recovered in AV viewpoint, which is about 5 meters from the road going to Mohma. We found this black wheat raincoat and there are certain stains out there, but we can't confirm whether they're blood stains. Only forensics will be able to say whether they're blood stains. Seizure has been made. We'll compare with the footages we have, whether it belongs to the female or not. And only after some time only we can confirm whether it belongs to the female. Because the size also is a 3XL raincoat. Search, since that the Sdang is actually almost 3 levels of terrain out there. So, and the place, the undergrowth also is thick out there. Today we had to do AV point, and then before we wanted to do Sdang again, it started raining. So huge heavy rains out there. And beyond that we will be going to the peripheries of those places to look for more evidence. Theories will be there. I can understand the minds of the public, a lot of theories are there. SIT has been formed, we will go and gather evidence and collect and get to the facts of the matter. So right now, like I said from the beginning, all possibilities are there, but all possibilities are there, and so we go by the facts and the circumstances and the evidence collected from the scene of crime. And thereon we'll get to know which direction we'll take. The weather got cleared. Otherwise, the weather was very inclement and torrential rains were there, which was making it very difficult even though we use NESAC drones. So when the weather cleared up, we could actually find the body and other evidence out there. So let's hope the weather clears up and gives us more visibility to find more evidence. Yeah, about more than 50 to 60 people, SOT, NDRF, SDRF, Fire and Emergency Services, the SIT team is there, and people from Sonam police station, and also the local volunteers. So it was only on the second that, second would be, well, it was on the second, second or third? Postmortem was done yesterday, we yet to get the report. Oh.